Can you get paid on YouTube by uploading music audio cover of different artists even if you have their permission? The answer is no. YouTube won't allow you to monetize such content. You cannot make money from other people's content. That's the answer. Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you why I'm going to delete my previous video music audio cover. And I'm very sorry, in this video I will not show my face because my phone got a crack on the selfie camera, but the next video I will try to show my face before. But before we jump into the video, I would like to thank everyone who have been watching my previous audio covers that I've been uploading ever since I started this YouTube channel on the 1st of June. It actually took me 3 months to gain 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours thanks to vidIQ, and I will link their channel and website in the video description. After I have reached the milestone of every small YouTuber's wish, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours, I received an email on Sunday from YouTube saying your channel Shokodola has passed their 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in their 12 months, and those are the requirements of YouTube partner program. Then I applied on Friday. Before I received an email, I was active online, going through my videos using YouTube Studio app. In the weekend, I've been so desperate, like, will I be accepted in the partner program, or will they reject my channel? And how long can I wait? Then boom, here comes the bad news. Thank you for applying to YouTube partner program. To evaluate your application, our team carefully review your channel Shokodola. Unfortunately, we found that your application does not meet our YouTube partner program policy, and that's how my channel was rejected. Reuse content, which is what I've been doing wrong in all my 132 videos audio cover from different artists. So I had no choice just to agree on the YouTube policy. My advice to you guys, to anyone, especially the Namibian upcoming music artist, if you have a YouTube channel or planning to create one, do it now and make sure you upload your own audio song cover and music video. And to those that have been uploading different audio song cover from different artists, you need to stop, like seriously stop doing it. Stop uploading such content and start thinking of another niche. Niche, if you don't know what is a niche, it's an idea. You need to change your idea I would really like to reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year, 2022.